Okay, we're going to do the practice test for test number 2 in Python. Unfortunately, Spider has quit working on my personal computer, and so I'm going to use a different editor, but Python is Python no matter what. So the first one is we want to write a function called classification. It's going to accept one argument. It's going to be an integer representing somebody's age, and we are going to return a string. And we've got these rules here. We got to cut off at 5, 18, 23. Okay, so we've got 4 categories, it looks like. And so I'm going to flip over to my editor. And I want to write a function. Was it classification? Classification. I'm going to pass in an age. And then I want to check to see if, just going to be some if statements. If age is less than 5, return preschool. I also want to check see if age is less than or equal to 18, and then I'm going to return school. Otherwise, I check to see if age is less than or equal to 23, and if that's the case, I return college, and if none of those are true, I just return. Okay, that's it. If we go back and look at our Word document over here, and let me just copy this code here. And I'm going to paste it in. And of course, I don't want this to be part of the function. This is going to be my main program. So what I have to do is I have to de-indent. Okay. So if I run this now, my output should be exactly what it's predicting right here. So let's go ahead and run it. And here's my output window. Should be preschool, should be school, school, college, college, adult, and it looks like it's working.